Can you hear that? Those birds, it's hard to hear them over the trees. They're really loud a moment ago. The birds are chirping. Spring is in the air. Yesterday was the equinox, and 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of night. And it's above freezing this morning here in Minnesota. Spring is a good time for renewal, for thinking new thoughts, for new beginnings, new growth. Oh, there, now you can hear it. Hear those beautiful birds just singing away. It gives me cheer, it gives me glory. Not glory, it gives me aspiration of glory. It gives me awe, that's the word. It makes me appreciate the awesomeness of God's creation, how He created it all to work together.